Hey friends, hope you're well. So, do you want to automate JotForm data into the Google Sheet? And there is some complex data that needs to be parsed or cut in a way to put it into the Google Sheet. So, here is the cool automation. You just have to click Add and click on JotForm and watch for submissions. And then you just have to make the connection by just clicking Add. And now we have the data coming in the form of pretty, that is in the bulk form, and in the request where fields have the separate data. So let's say the email, phone number, name, and all the stuff. So let's say here is the name, and then we are using text parser. I just got this regex code with the help of ChatGPT. The data was coming in the pretty field in the bulk form, so I don't have the appointment date in these separate fields. So I use the text parser to scrap the data after the appointment, and then we have the output in the form of date, and then we're using set multiple variables to get the current date, and I set the format to months, days, and years, and we are passing this data to the Google Sheet Adder row. You can just click Add and Google Sheet and find the Adder row button, and then you just have to make the connection and map the sheet here, like the sheet name, and in the headers you just have to map the data from your previous steps. So that's it. Thank you.